Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sana Fayaz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. हम सभी को पता है that fertility is the major discussed topic and it's a very important topic which needs to be discussed. So if you are unable to conceive and fertility is one of the issues you are going through, so this video is for you. So I will be giving you 3 natural home remedy tips which can help you to conceive and help in increasing the fertility rate. First is follow a regular diet. Have pumpkin seeds because pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and it helps in increasing the sperm count and the mortality rate of the sperm. Have wheat germ oil because wheat germ oil is rich in vitamin E and has a very good antioxidant property. Consume a lot of high fiber diet. So when I say high fiber diet, consume a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables because they have a lot of fiber properties in it which will help you in conceiving naturally. Avoid trans fat consumption. When I say trans fat consumption, that means avoid having packed food, packed bottles. So all these packed foods have a lot of trans fats in it. These trans fat foods increases the insulin levels in the body, and these insulin increased in the body will in turn decrease the ovarian hormones in your body, which will help you not conceiving. So one thing is that you cut down on the trans fat products. Second most important thing which I would need to tell you is exercise. Exercise is very important and a major role in it. So here are a few exercises which I am going to discuss with you. So the first exercise which you need to do is lunges. Second is squatting. Third is bridging. Fourth is butterfly stretch. Now the next thing which I need to discuss with you is the third and the very most important thing is meditation. So meditation is the important part and it's the major reason which will help you in conceiving. One of the very big important reason for not conceiving is stress. So while you do all these maneuvers, while you are on these routine, you have to make sure that you are out of all the stress. You remove all the thoughts from your mind. Whatever is going to happen, just let it go. Please believe in God and trust on your own self and what you are doing. Continue doing that and remove all the negative thoughts from your mind and just focus on what you are doing it. So for meditation, you go in any yoga meditative pose, you sit quietly in that pose, be in a quiet space, sit quietly, try to sit quietly in one position and close your eyes and try to focus on yourself, on your body, on your mind. The other way in which you can meditate is you sit quietly in an empty room and concentrate on the sound. तो वो टिक टिक साउंड आता है क्लॉक में, आप उस घड़ी की टिक टिक पे फोकस कीजिए या फिर आप दूसरी चीज़ कर सकते हैं, वो ये है कि आप जो पेंडुलम होता है उसके ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए या रूम में कोई बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ स्मूथ और एकदम लाइट म्यूज़िक लगाइए और अपना माइंड उस म्यूज़िक पे फोकस्ड रखिए। आजकल आपको बहुत सारे मेडिटेटिव साउंड्स प्ले स्टोर पे मिल जाएंगे, आप उस पर भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं एंड यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो आई होप कि आपको ये मेरे 3 नेचुरल रेमेडीज़ पसंद आए हो। एंड इफ़ यू लाइक द कंटेंट, प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड स्टे ट्यून फॉर माई अपकमिंग वीडियो। थैंक यू, स्टे ट्यून।